Let's try this example. What we have here is an X box, and it's being guarded this time by a -4 robot, and that's equal to 2. Now, the way that you fight a -4 robot is you use a +4. But again, remember to always play fair. So if we put a +4 on the left side of the equal sign, we need to put another +4 on the right side of the equal sign as well. There we go. And there's the always play fair part. Now my kids' favorite parts is that -4 robot and the +4 robot cancel each other out. Bump! Let me show that to you in symbols. X minus 4 equals 2. Use a +4 to combat that -4. And the reason why we're going after that -4 is because that's what's stopping us from letting X be all by itself. If that -4 wasn't there, then we can then X would be all by itself and the problem would be solved for. So we're trying to get rid of that. So that's why we use the +4. Always play fair. Those two cancel and collect what's left. The 2 just comes straight down and the +4 is still there as well. All of that's on the right hand side, but the X is all by itself, which is the whole point. That's what we're trying to do here. And 2 added to 4, or 4 added to 2 in that case, is actually equal to 6. So we think that the answer is 6. Now notice how I say we think the answer is 6, because one of the most important things you can do in algebra is to check your work. So this would confirm not only do we think the answer is 6, eventually we can know that the answer is 6. Let me show you. So the original problem said x minus 4 is equal to 2. And we want to let x is equal to 6. That's what our guess as far as the answer is. If we plug in 6 into the original problem, so instead of having x minus 4 equals 2, you have 6 minus 4 equals 2. What we're going to do is we're going to subtract those, and 6 minus 4 is actually equal to 2. So on the left-hand side, you have 2. And on the right-hand side, it's equals to 2. And that's a true statement. So we now know that the answer is 6. We don't just think that the answer is 6. The answer is 6. It is a guaranteed thing. And the beautiful thing